Hello third year. Now I am showing you results of decarboxylase activity carried out by certain bacteria. Now first of all I will show you the decarboxylase broth blank. You can see it is having purple color. Okay. The other two also I will show you. They are also having purple color. You can see that there is no change in the indicator color. Okay, now I will show you the result of lysine today. You can see very nicely that yellow color has been formed because of the metabolism of glucose. Acid has been produced and the indicator dye turns from purple to yellow in color. Okay, so now decarboxylation will take place. So till this particular point there is no decarboxylation started. Now amines will form and it will change the color of the media. This is about lysine, you can see very nicely. Now I will show the result of arginine. Here also there are in both the tubes yellow color is there. Okay, you can see very nicely yellow color formation is there, right? In one the decarboxylation has started. You can see the darker color, darker shade of yellow, and in another light shade is there. Okay, so in the right tube the decarboxylation has started already. Okay, so we are lucky enough that we are able to see this yellow coloration in decarboxylase media. Otherwise it is very rare to see, because we have inoculated in little quantity, so we are able to see the results today also. Now I will show you the ornithine in the same way. You can see that it is having yellow color of indicator dye bromocresol purple in both the duplicates of ornithine media. Okay, decarboxylase media having ornithine. You can see that yellow colors are formed in both the tubes, and in the right side tube you can see that yellow coloration has been darkened, and in the left side tube you can see that still light yellow color is there. So in one tube the decarboxylation has started. Now you will question that why in one tube it has started, another tube not started. Okay, it all depends on the number of cells. Okay, so number of cells, if 2 or 3 are more or less, there will be drastic change in the result. Okay, so that is why. Okay, and another thing I wanted to show you, that is negative control. I have told you that I have also kept the negative controls, which means that I have not added in these tubes any type of bacterial culture. Okay, these are the tubes which are considered as the sterile tubes of particular amino acid. Okay, so all the 3 amino acids we have. Okay, I will show you. This is the lysine tube, which is considered as negative control for lysine amino acid. This is arginine tube. You can see this is negative control for arginine. Bacteria are not added inside. And the third tube is ornithine. Here also we have not added anything like bacteria, only amino acid and decarboxylase broth is there. Okay, so I think you are satisfied with your results today. Okay, very excellent type of results we are getting, and also I have taken photos of these all results, so I will share it with you, so there is no problem. Okay, so again we will discuss more in detail about the results tomorrow. Fine, thank you.